Welcome to the Galactic Pulse series, where we explore the latest advancements in science and technology. In this episode, we'll be discussing the exciting potential of 3D printing and how it is changing the way we manufacture products. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating a physical object from a digital design. The machine adds material layer by layer until the object is complete. This technology has been around since the 1980s, but it's only in recent years that it has become more accessible and affordable to the general public. One of the biggest promises of 3D printing is its ability to revolutionize manufacturing. Traditionally, products are manufactured through subtractive processes, where material is removed from a larger block to create the final shape. With 3D printing, however, material is added on top of each other layer by layer, which reduces waste and allows for more complex designs to be created with ease. This means that companies can produce parts and products faster, cheaper, and with greater customization options. The medical industry has also been one of the biggest beneficiaries of 3D printing technology. With 3D printing, doctors can create patient-specific models of organs, bones, and tissues to better plan and practice surgeries. Customized prosthetics can also be printed to perfectly fit a patient's unique anatomy, increasing comfort and functionality. Additionally, 3D printing can be used to create implants and scaffolds for tissue engineering, which can help to regenerate damaged tissue and organs. Another promising area of 3D printing is in the field of construction. Researchers have been exploring ways to use 3D printing to build entire structures, such as houses, using a combination of concrete and other materials. This could greatly reduce the time and cost of construction, as well as allow for greater design flexibility and customization. Of course, like any new technology, there are also concerns and challenges associated with 3D printing. The biggest concern is the potential for copyright infringement and intellectual property theft. With the ability to create exact replicas of existing products, there is a risk of counterfeit products flooding the market. Additionally, there are concerns about the environmental impact of 3D printing, particularly the disposal of plastic waste from discarded or failed prints. Despite these challenges, the promise of 3D printing is undeniable. As the technology continues to evolve and become more accessible, we can expect to see more widespread adoption and exciting new applications. Thank you for listening to this episode of the Galactic Pulse series on the promise of 3D printing. Join us next time as we explore the neuroscience of addiction.